The Aam Aadmi Party has made some serious allegations against Bharatiya Janata Party just a day before Delhi election results. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party claiming that the BJP is trying to poach its lawmakers by offering them a whopping rupees 15 crore rupee each. According to AAP, BJP has in fact made this offer to at least 16 of its MLAs. This is the allegation that has been made by Aam Aadmi Party. This accusation comes amid AAP's concerns about Congress Party's alleged collusion with BJP to harm AAP's prospects in the Delhi Assembly polls. We have tons of political reactions on it. Let's listen.
भाई इसका क्या मतलब है? अभी तो यही नहीं पता कौन विधायक रहेगा कि नहीं. डब्बे सबके सील हो गए हैं. जो हम लोग विधायक बनेंगे नहीं बनेंगे वो हमको 8 तारीख को पता चलेगा. तो कोई पार्टी किसी को क्या पैसे ऑफर करेगी मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. हाँ, ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारे लोग जीत रहे हैं, उन्हें ये करना चाहते हैं, चलो मैं फिर भी बात मानूं. कौन जीतेगा क्या नहीं जीतेगा, ये इतनी घबराहट क्यों है आम आदमी पार्टी में, मुझे नहीं इस बात को समझ में आ रहा.
संजय सिंह जिस प्रकार का बयान दे रहे हैं वो निहायत ही घटिया बयान है और ये आम आदमी पार्टी की राजनीतिक नौटंकीबाजी है. अब जब उनको दिखाई दे रहा है कि दिल्ली से वो बेदखल हो रहे हैं तो वो इस तरीके के अनर्गल आरोप लगा करके अब दिल्ली के साथ जो 10 साल उन्होंने दुर्दशा की उसकी जिम्मेदारी से बचना चाहते हैं. लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता अरविंद केजरीवाल को और आम आदमी पार्टी को और उसके नेताओं को कभी भी माफ नहीं करेगी. 8 तारीख को भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्रचंड बहुमत की सरकार बनने जा रही है.
We have Anushka joining us. Anushka, of course, these are big allegations made by Aam Aadmi Party just a day ahead of results, saying BJP is offering money to its leaders in order to poach some of the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. But has any proof or evidence being provided by Aam Aadmi Party yet? What more details do you have for us?
Well, certainly, Radhika, what we are seeing is that a day after polling, the Aam Aadmi Party senior leaders have claimed that and also alleged that BJP is trying to offer 15 crore rupees to its incumbent legislators and also people who they think are going to win the assembly elections this time around. The Aam Aadmi Party has accused BJP that they have called some of the Aam Aadmi Party legislators, some lawmakers, and that they are trying to form a government by destroying the Aam Aadmi Party. But also the BJP, from BJP side, we have gotten a reaction from Virendra Sachdeva, who is the Delhi BJP president. He has said that either Arvind Kejriwal should provide proof or they might be, take back this statement, or they might be ready to face the legal action and legal notice regarding this matter. He has also reminded them that Delhi Chief Minister Atishi is also out in bail on a similar matter by offering some MLAs money. Also, we are seeing that we have gotten a reaction from Congress also, where Sandeep Dixit has himself said that nobody knows as of yet as to how many people are going to be winning the seats in the respective constituencies. Then how can somebody offer them money to make a government? Also, we are seeing, and to be sure, Sanjay Singh, who is the Aam Aadmi Party MLA, Aam Aadmi Party MP, has had in fact alleged this in his press conference, but as of yet he has not in fact put in forth the method, the names, or by which means they have in fact offered the legislators money to form the government. But also the BJP has been saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is panicked that they are going to lose these elections, because we also saw exit polls that came. They have in fact predicted that the BJP is going to win seats, not with a big margin, with a thin margin, but also we are seeing that they have in fact predicted that the BJP is going to form its government after 27 years. Now, ahead of all of that, we are seeing that the BJP has claimed that the Aam Aadmi Party is frustrated, and as a result of the frustration, they have now resorted to petty allegations. And that is why these kind of claims are being made just one day before the result day, because we are seeing that tomorrow the results are going to be announced. Tomorrow is the counting day, the day when the ballot box will be opened, and it will be seen that what the people of Delhi have decided. And also we are seeing that there was a tough battle when the campaigning was also going on. It was quite intense and sometimes hostile. But also we are seeing a day after polling, once again a showdown erupted between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, where the Aam Aadmi Party have in fact alleged that the BJP is trying to poach its legislators, while the BJP is saying that either the Aam Aadmi Party should take back their statement or they should be ready to face legal action on this matter.